Every day at the beginning of an ELA lesson, we as a class review the daily target. While reviewing this daily target, we use a routine called Know, Understand, and Do. When using this routine, it allows me as the educator to clarify the day's learning and check for understanding in a very short amount of time. I chose the word identify as the action word in this target, as students often will see this inside a question stem, and it's important that they understand what to do when they see this. I also chose the two words selection and text clues as the know and understand. I chose selection as often the selection can give insight to the point of view, and I chose text clues as students are required to use text-based evidence to prove and support what the point of view is. Alright, so everybody, what does the word identify mean? Everybody?
Identify.
Good, so I hear a lot of answers. Find, name, nice job. So the things that we have to know and understand today to work on our work is we have to know what a point of view is, we have to know what a selection is, and we have to know what text clues are. Nice job, everybody. Not only do I have to know what they are, but I have to understand. Good. So I have to understand what a point of view is. Thank you. Nice job. I have to understand what a selection is. And I have to understand what text clues are. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to buddy buzz, what is point of view? What do you know and understand about what point of view is? So turn to your buddy. I asked students to have discussions with their partners about the meaning of these three words. And as they're having their discussions, I walk around and I monitor their discussions. I'm listening to what they are saying and what they aren't saying about their understanding, as well as clearing up any misconceptions that they might have.
Point of view is like the view of the author, like first person, third person, all that.
I think so. It means to if it's like the author talking or the person in the story who's telling the selection, like if it was a person in the story, or if it's the person who
Alright, boys and girls, when I was walking around in your buddy buzzing, I heard a lot of information about what point of view is. I heard some words like first person, third person, describing what first person is. Words like I, me, we. In third person, words like they. Those words would help us figure out what the point of view of a selection is. So now, very quickly, let's just review the last two things that we have to know and understand. A selection and text clues. Both of those things we've been working on all year long. So just take 1 minute, again with your buddy buzz, to talk about both of those things.
A selection is a story or a poem. So that's what selection is. A selection is like a story or informational text or a poem, like where you can read something.
After these discussions, I then take that information that I've heard from the students and I quickly decide how I'm going to proceed through the lesson and how I will differentiate for students in their understanding of point of view.